Welcome back everyone to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we'll be taking a look at a Nike Air Jordan 1 High. These are known as the Green Glow colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we are going to be talking about this beautiful colorway that just released on 4/20. Happy 4/20 everyone. This is the Air Jordan 1 High in the Green Glow colorway. So we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this really fun green glow tone. Then we'll conclude with how much these are going for currently on the retail market. Let's jump right into it. So as far as quality, the first thing I honestly saw when I unboxed these officially was how amazing the tumbled leather is on the toe box here. This is a hit or miss with a lot of Air Jordan 1 Highs. Sometimes you get really premium quality materials. Sometimes it's very cheap. This is very well done. So if you are somebody who is looking for a really high quality Air Jordan 1 High and a nice vibrant color for the spring and summertime, this may be something you should 100% take a look at. So as you can see, we've got that green glow finish on the toe and then some smooth black leather on the toe box. And I've laced these up with black laces, but you do get an additional set in that nice green glow tone. So if you do want to add more of that bright, vibrant color scheme, you can also swap the laces out. I decided to go with more of a muted look for the black lace look on top of the black meshed tongue that is in a nylon material. And then we have accents of that green glow as well on the Nike Air swoosh mark. Wrapping around to the side panels, we've got underlays of smooth white leather, overlays of black leather on the swoosh mark, which works its way to the back, as well as the medial as well as the lateral side. We've got the black swoosh marks and the same color blocking. And then the Air Jordan Wings logo is in black, and it really just hits quite nicely on top of that green glow tumbled leather. So as you can see, super high quality all around when it comes to the green glow leather that they decided to use. It's on the heel as well as the collar. The interior is in the green glow colorway as well as black, and then it's completed with a white midsole and a green glow outsole. The box is really cool as well. It matches the sneaker perfectly. The box actually looks more like Tiffany blue in my opinion than the green glow, but nice that they did give us an additional box to really match the sneaker color blocking. Let's take a look at those last and final details. far as size and fit goes, I would say go up half a size. If you're somebody who likes to wear thicker socks like myself, I find that the Air Jordan 1 highs just tend to run a little bit more snug, and I like to have additional space in mine. All right, so now let's talk about styling. Again, I think this is such an amazing colorway for the springtime coming up here, and I'm really getting excited to wear more pops of color. So when I saw these released, I was like, you know what, this is definitely a color scheme I want to kind of transition into my new clothing options as things are starting to heat up a little bit here in New York. So for the first look, decided to wear a nice, just simple option where it was a floral maxi dress that had some nice different colors and prints to it, but there were some nice teal hues, which I feel like really complemented the green glow option. And then for the second look, decided to wear an abstract silk top that again had some nice kind of similar green finishes to it. And then I tucked that into some nice, just simple denim pants. Then for the last and final look, kept it pretty monochromatic with a black mini dress that was kind of a tennis option, but definitely feel like all black will be a great option if you really want the secret to pop off very nicely.
But you know how it go when you living on the hope of your past life. And I feel I can't take it no more. No, I can't keep up. It's just never enough. Life just keeps on giving me detours. It never lets up. Always switching it up. These days, life's been a freeway. Time just keeps flying and I can't keep up. And they say I need to face things. I say I'm trying, but it's not enough. These days, life's been a freeway. Time just keeps flying and I can't keep up. And they say I need to face things. I say I'm trying, but it's not enough. My life's a rotary circle all around about. Every time I try to exit, I find myself right back where I started out. It's not about the cause I've been dealt.
All right, so as far as retail goes, these retailed at $180. There are some sizes that are still currently available on the Sneakers app. These definitely sold out the fastest in women's sizing, which makes sense. I do think for the ladies, this is a great colorway option, but also for the guys as well. But definitely something a lot of women, I think, were excited about just because this is a very refreshing colorway for the warmer seasons ahead. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out and give this video a thumbs up. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you all on the next episode.
I just don't understand. Guess that I should quit while I'm down. Gave it all that I